Hello, my name is Brandon Paris. Doing a quick review of your competition online and just wanted to introduce myself. Basically, I'm a consultant. I specialize in the digital space and I've worked with some HVAC companies in the past. And I specifically work with companies in Georgia, hence my name, Georgia SEO Consulting. I do a lot more than just SEO now. That's kind of a hot key phase word that everybody seems to have picked up. So I don't really focus on just selling SEO like I used to. But anyways, to get down into why I'm contacting you is because the competition just in Canton, Georgia is very stiff. You can see here that there's ads. And right away that tells us that people are getting leads. There's definitely a lot of traffic coming to this keyword HVAC repair Canton, Georgia, but there's 4 leads at the very top. This is awesome to be right here, and this is probably, these guys right here are probably getting a good bit of leads, phone calls, which is probably what you want. Each business is different, and that's why I consider myself a consultant first. Some guys like to get a lot of phone calls, some guys prefer email, or whatever, and we can talk about that if you contact me. But we go down here and Home Advisor comes up. Now, Home Advisor is great because you can pay for basically a lead that's already generated, but you're having to pay not only to be on there, but for the lead to have the chance to get it. And I really don't like that, just because you're probably paying way too much for those leads. Because, for example, Gus HVAC could be doing the same thing if he was at the very top, because the #1 spot organically is going to receive around 60% of the clicks, and that's a big portion. These ads up here, all of them combined, they're only going to get about 15-20% of all clicks that are just available for this keyword. It's going to change every day and every month, but that kind of gives you an idea of the percentage breakdown. Most people prefer Google, and that's why I'm on Google right now, and they'll use this if they're looking to call somebody right away, which is going to be like your hot buyers. So we can help you get in this spot if you're not already, or to maintain it, and then organically where you're going to get the majority of clicks, where most people are in the buying process, is just finding more information. This is where you really want to be at the top, like right there. And then if you're below the fold, which in this situation, since there's so much competition, you can only see ads. So of course we're going to help you run the correct ads to get the best results as well, because in this kind of space where you're at with all this competition, you have to be able to be above the fold when someone is on their desktop, that you come up right away. And Gus was doing pretty good because he's on the top 3 Google Maps, and he's #3 organically. But even if you're not, if you're not Gus, you're probably not getting any online traffic, especially for this keyword, but across the board, because this is probably one of the main keywords you want to rank for. But there's also these, he's missing out. I'm just using him as an example. He's missing out because he's not here at the very top like he could be if he is running Google AdWords, which is a necessary evil these days. As long as your conversion rates are there and you're sending your customers to a landing page that converts, if you're offering them some kind of coupon or free evaluation or whatever gets the best conversion, which in this case would probably be some kind of coupon, some kind of special deal for the season that you're in. Maybe now it's to get like the winter recovery HVAC package. That's what's going to work best, and that's what's going to build your business long term. So again, that's just a little insight from me. I just want to introduce myself. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or you just want to learn more. And appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great day, and look forward to hearing from you.